Hello, I'm Fidelia Margaret Francis and I'm a first year medical student. So today I'll be doing the auscultation of heart valves to hear specific heart sounds. And can I know your name, please?
I'm Rajiv.
Okay, and how old are you?
I'm 19 this year.
Okay, so if you don't mind, I would like to have you to remove your shirt. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, that's alright.
Okay, so first of all, I'll be listening to your carotid pulse. It's under your neck here. Okay, moving on, I'll be going to your pulmonary valve. It's actually located at the medial end of your third costal cartilage. But as for auscultation, I'll be listening to the sounds at the second left intercostal space. Okay, so it's about here. So I'll use the diaphragm and the bell of the stethoscope to hear the different frequencies of the sound. Okay. Next, I'll be moving on to your aortic valve. The aortic valve is actually located behind the midline of the sternum. So this is the sternum. It's behind the midline of it at the third intercostal space. But for the auscultation, I'll be listening to your heart sounds at the second intercostal space at the right side. Okay, so which is over here. Okay, so moving on, I'll be going down to your tricuspid valve. Your tricuspid valve is actually located at the right half, behind the right half of the sternum, at the fourth intercostal space. But for the auscultation, it's different. So I'll be using your sternal border at the left side of the fifth intercostal space for the auscultation. So this is the sternal border, and this is the fifth intercostal space. Okay, and lastly, I'll be listening to the heart sounds of your mitral valve, and the heart sounds can actually be heard at the apex of the heart. And the apex of the heart, to answer doctor's question, it's actually located at the fifth intercostal space, but the actual mitral valve is located at the left half of the sternum, behind it at the fourth costal cartilage. So I'll be listening to it at the apex of the heart. Okay, so to answer doctor's question, the apex beat of the heart can be heard at the fifth intercostal space. And thank you very much for your time and your cooperation today. Okay, thank you so much, and you can wear your shirt now.
Thank you.
Thank you.